Hello everybody, it's Mindy, and I have a fun little unbagging here. Well, it's unbagged. A showing. Let's have a showing. It's all special drills, which is, I just pulled some out of the bag. This is part one of an order from DIYChoose. Thank you, DIYChoose, for letting me pick out some fantastic things. These are all great. Just keep this in mind. Coming in February will be Smashing with the Specials again with Brandy of Mystery of Diamonds. So this is all special drill. You might find something here that you would like, so keep it in mind. All right? Okay, let's take a gander at what we got. All right, this is cool. I like this. Now, it doesn't look like much here. It really doesn't, because it doesn't have many of the colors on it, but it has beautiful colors. It is on the acrylic. You only do one side, right? Put your drills on one side, but it's a cross. And they had like 5 different versions, I believe, different crosses. And I thought they were all really cool. I had a hard time deciding which one to get. You notice there's a little hole at the top here. I'm assuming there's something to hang it by. Of course, I don't know where. What's in the bag? Let's see. Where's the toolkit that was in the bag? I don't know. I would have thought there would have been some hanging apparatus, but I don't know. I don't see anything in any of these toolkits. Well, I'll keep looking around, because you know how it goes. Sometimes I find things later. Maybe it's hiding in here. I don't know. Let's look and see. I'll keep my eye open. Sorry. All right. Like I said, this doesn't take on much color here, but wait until you see these drills. All right, and then you'll know. You'll know. All right. So there aren't very many rhinestones, actually. We have blue ABs, very pretty blue ABs, and a clear rhinestone. So that's really our only small, like rhinestone type size. The rest are specials. Look, pretty green. That's a very, very light blue. We have orange. Look at those. Ooh. And then look at those. See, it just keeps getting better and better, right? Then we have our snowflakes. We have some small, clear, faceted with the AB and pearls. This is going to be really, really pretty. All right. So, like I said, they had several different varieties. What do I hang it with? I don't know. All right. Okay. Anyhow, let's move on to the next one. All right. This is special drill. Like I said, they're all special drills. And this one, I just couldn't resist. I love goldfinches. I adore goldfinches, okay? And they're like in an apple tree or something. I don't know exactly what that is, but it's flowering. It's springtime. Do you know that goldfinches turn brown in the winter? They're not always gold. They turn a brownish green color. And then when spring and summer is here, it's like, boom, they're like, hello, you know how male birds are, right? They get all flashy and showy, because they have to attract the females. And they also help deter predators. Predator will see the flashy bird, and it will go for the male and leave mama and the babies alone. So what do we have with this one? Sorry, a little bird education there. Yellow. There's our goldfinch. Oh, look at this guy's attached to, he's just attached to his bag there. Some peachy orange, black. There's our white. That is not AB or anything. They're just white for all those flowers, right? Bronzy color, another bronzy color. What is this one? A green. It's hard to tell, but it is a deep, dark green. A light green. Then we have some teardrops that are all iridescent. Oh, flower centers. Yes. Okay, there's our slivers. I already see where the slivers go. Like I said, they love to make little bitty flowers out of slivers. So all these little purple flowers that are intermingled are going to be the slivers. I can live with that. Can you live with that? I can. All right. So there's that one. That one's beautiful too. Okay. Ooh, I've been waiting for this. Look at this one. It's a bubble round owl. Yay. There were like, I don't know, 3 or 4 of these maybe with the bubble rounds and the owl. And I really liked 2 of them. I'm not getting all of them. 17 colors and shapes and whatnot. The background will be what color? I don't know. Let's find out. What is our background? That will be where the bubbles go. The different bubbles just means there's different sizes. Okay. So if you look up close, we'll have 4 and 5 gets a little bit larger and 6 is even larger. And they'll probably all be the same color. Still don't know what color that is. All right. Well, we have a lot of black. Maybe it's black. Let's see. Number 1. Okay, no. It's not. That's not the bubble background. But it is the outline. So everything, the outlines with the black. Not our bubbles, though. Not our background. Look at that pretty color right there. Man, I wish there was a ton of that one. Orange. Bronzy orange, some greens. All right, here we have some green marquee, gold marquee. Look at these guys. Ooh, these are pretty. Some ovals, those are pretty. Then we have, that's a very light blue teardrop, a darker blue teardrop. Look at those guys. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, here's our bubble background. All right, it's blue. Love it. It's cobalt blue. So here's 2 bags of the Rhinestones, regular size, and then a medium, and then the larger. Love that. I love that. Cobalt blue, one of my favorites. So here's this owl is going to be set on a cobalt blue night sky. Perfect. Love it. Love it. Okay. All right. Have to do that one. What am I going to do in February? I have so many choices. All right, this guy, this is one of the larger quilling. It's not super large. Some of them are even longer, I think, but this is a 30 by 50. It's not diamond painted around the edge, but it does have this border that you diamond paint. All right, lots of rhinestones, but look, there's lots of rounds and marquees in there too. This one came with a set of tweezers, you know, to help you with your special drill placing. Yeah. All right. What do we have? We have a gold, a blue, a gold, an amber, and a light purple. We have a really very, very pretty purple. Love that one. Another purple, 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 lots of purple. Blue AB. And here's our specials. Purple marquee. Oh, another oval. Look at that. Magenta oval. A gold oval. And another gold oval. Oh, hello to the ovals, all right? Lots of ovals in this unboxing. All right. Okay. Last one. And before I say we're done, I'm going to go through this little pile over here real quick of my trash and just make sure I don't have any. Here it is. There it is. I found it. I found it. I found it. Okay. See this toolkit right here? Look at that itty bitty chain in there. You know what that's for, right? Whew. Glad I looked through the trash over there. That's for my cross. All right. Put that over here. That has to go with the cross. Last painting. That one has nothing in it except wax. Okay. This one would be super quick and easy to do. It only has 9 different shapes. There's really not a ton to drill on this one, but wouldn't it be cute? Super cute. I mean, you get some dots in the background and then the dog, basically. It's just kind of, he's outlined, basically. Not a lot to do, but it would be cute when it's done, right? Very, very cute. All right, what do we have? 9 different colors. Red, of course we have red. He's got a red scarf. This is like a champagne color, a lighter champagne color, clear, green, amber color, orange. Oh, and then tiny, little tiny snowflakes. Well, yeah, dot, 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 all over the background. Nice. And then some black, like pearly ones. Nice. All right, so that's the first part of my unboxing. Thank you so much, DIYChoose, for sending them over. And let's get ready to smash some specials again, you guys. If you need some specials, let me know. Let me know. I might be able to hook you up, okay? All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you found something here that you liked. And I'm glad I found my chain for my cross. The crosses are cool. You guys are pretty cool. All right. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button. Subscribe if you enjoyed the video and you'd like to see more. Come back, comment, all the fun stuff that you guys do, and all the things that I appreciate so much. All right. I will be talking to you soon, and have a great day. Bye, everybody.